I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the fork where control matters most. Pick a length that fits your hair density and comfort. Once chosen, make a low-tension base, twist or form a loose bun so hair won't slip. Insert the fork perpendicular to the scalp between two hair sections, advance gently until midshaft sits against the base. You'll feel resistance, which is normal. Adjust angle slightly to avoid catching. This first insertion sets the hold and determines how secure your final style will be. Once the fork is inserted, rotate it about 90 degrees to lock the hair base against your scalp. This converts linear push into mechanical grip. If you need more hold, weave the tines through the wrapped hair once or twice, spreading them slightly to grab more strands. Make small angle changes until the fork sits flush and feels balanced. Press the end down so it's not poking. These shaping moves control tension, prevent slipping, and keep the style comfortable for hours. You finish by checking stability. Tilt and shake your head gently. If it shifts, reinsert slightly deeper or weave an extra tine through the wrap. If the metal slides on smooth hair, apply a drop of hairspray or a small rubber sleeve to one tine to increase friction. To remove, reverse the rotation and slide the fork out along the original path to avoid snags. If hair catches, pause and loosen the wrap with a finger. This final step keeps hair healthy and prevents damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.